or in fact 98% of the time smiling in scenarios that sometimes not even demand, but smile is a usual part of my personality. But today, honestly, I'm telling you, I'm not happy. Why am I not happy? Because George Floyd was in this latest episode, he was charged only because he used a $20 fake note, and that too is not confirmed. And the US police officer, he kneeled George Floyd to death. George Floyd kept on saying that, I can't breathe. I can't breathe. Just imagine yourself that you're lying down here and someone is kneeling you to death. What type of torture and pain you will be experiencing? I'm sorry to sound harsh, but this incident has really, as if someone has um slaughtered me. This is the amount of pain I feel. So if you don't know George Floyd, do watch on Google. And if you watch television news, then I'm sure that you know what happened to George Floyd and the whole incident of kneeling George Floyd by the USA police officer. Um, Fortunately, that officer is now being charged with third-degree murder charges after a protest that was being staged throughout USA in different states, not only Minneapolis, where George Floyd originally belonged to. George Floyd, actually, I would say that he was, I have been reading about him. He was known as a kind Floyd or a big Floyd. He drove trucks in North Carolina when he migrated there for work opportunities. He served there as security guard as well. So, but I'm not going to discuss his profile because internet is bubbling up with these type of resources, and it's pointless to tell you just introductory line. I mean, you can follow all these things. Why am I, and there are one or two important points. One of this is when I say that a USA police officer has done this barbaric act of violence, that doesn't mean that I am saying that the USA police is necessarily bad. That individual was a part of USA police, but what he did, I cannot say that. I mean, if there are some, it's similar to, for example, if a faculty member of a university plagiarizes a research paper. So what you are going to say, is this university fraud or this university duplicitous? No, you're going to look down upon that faculty member. So there is a need to look down upon at that US police officer who did this act of violence, rather than abhorring the complete USA Police Department. And when I was, thinking about these things, this act of violence, I was checking my WhatsApp, and one of my friends sent me something which really gave me chills and spine, actually. And what was that? I mean, she said that Pakistanis, or the South Asian, they are really, supporting the cause of George Floyd and his family, and the fact that they are protesting. Uh, but then one important question is, are Pakistani themselves against racism? Or in general, are South Asian mature enough that they can abhor the trait of, or the, wickedness of racism? Unfortunately, answer is not yes. Why? Why am I saying this? I mean, if we look around us in South Asia, there are many parents who would look down upon their child or make him feel bad if his looks stern. For example, there's a toddler standing here, and I have to say, go and take a wash. So instead of saying, hey, you look dirty, I would say, you look so tan, so black, go take a shower. So I have inculcated this idea that black is something bad. And by the way, we introduce so many type of complex and in the brain of our children, that when they grow up, they tend to appreciate that as if white is something, it has something to do with supremacy, or this English language has something to do with an evidence of intellect. As I run this channel, interestingly, one of the respectable viewer or the audience, he posted a comment that, why do you try to fake your accent You don't have this type of accent, you fake it. I said, why would I fake? This is my natural accent. I mean, why am I discussing these things? Because people do give Outlook so much weightage that they forget about what is the content of the video, what is the message in the video. Instead, they are focusing on my skin color, my accent. So before you protest against the whole incident of George Floyd, just ask this question to yourself. Are you against racism? I'm not blaming anyone. I mean, if you appreciate white color, it is ingrained deep down into the historical facts, into the advertisements that are being shown to us on a daily basis.